Hello dear students, welcome to NEET Biology Education. So today I will discuss from question number 171, NEET previous year paper. So who did not watch the previous video, you can watch. I will give the link in I button. You can click there and watch the previous video. So I discussed from 101 to 170 question number. So today I will discuss from 171. Given below are two statements, one is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A: amniocentesis for sex determination is one of the strategies of reproductive and child health care program. Reason R: Ben and amniocentesis seek increasing menace of female foeticide. In the light of the above statement, shows the correct answer from the option given below. Option 2 is the correct option. A is false but R is true. Let's see question number 172. Which of the following statement is correct? Option 4 is the correct option. Biomagnification refers to increase in concentration of the toxicant and successive trophic level. Option 1, given presence of large amount of nutrient in water restrict algal bloom, which is wrong option. Option 2, algal bloom decreases fish mortality, is also wrong. Option 3, eutrophication refers to increase in domestic sewage and wastewater influx, this is also wrong. Option 4 is the correct option. Dear students, let's see question number 173. Which of the following statements are correct regarding female reproductive cycles? Option A, given in non-primate mammals, cyclical changes during reproduction are called oestrus cycle. Option B, first menstrual cycle begins at puberty and is called menopause. Option C, lack of menstruation may be inactive of pregnancy. Option D, cyclic menstruation extend between menarche and menopause. Shows the most appropriate answer from the option given below. So the most appropriate answer is option 2, S, C and D only. S, C and D only. So option 2 is the correct option. Let's see question number 174. You have to match from left side to right side. Match list 1 with list 2. Question number option 3 is the correct option. A, C, C, K is matching with 4. Pancreas. Okay, dear students. CCK is matching with option 4, pancreas. B is matching with 2. GIP, heart. Option C, A and F matching with 2, heart. Sorry, option B is matching with 3, gastric gland. GIP is gastric gland. C is NF is heart. Option D, ADH. ADH is 1, kidney. Okay, dear students, option 3 is the correct answer. Question number 175, given below are two statements. Statement 1, in prokaryotes the positively charged DNA is held to with some negatively charged proteins T in a region called nucleoid. Statement 2, in eukaryote that negatively charged DNA is wrapped around the positively charged histones octamer to form nucleosome. In the light of the above statement, shows the correct answer from the option given below. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is false. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is true. So option 2 is the correct option, others are wrong option. Question number 176, match list 1 with list 2. Type of joint found between. So given some joint and where it found. Question option 4 is the correct option. A given cartilaginous joint. Cartilaginous joint is matching with option 2, between adjacent vertebrae in vertebral column. Option B, ball and socket joint matching with 4, between humerus and pectoral girdle. Option C, matching with eye. Fibrous joint between flat skull bones. Option D, saddle joint matching with between carpal and metacarpal of thumb. So option 4 is the correct option. Let's see question number 177. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, ligaments are dense irregular tissue. Statement 2, cartilage is dense regular tissue. In the light of the above statement, shows the correct answer from the option given below. Statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. Statement 1 is false, but statement 2 is true. So option 4 is the correct option. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. Let's see question number 178. In which blood corpuscles the HIV undergoes replication and produce progeny viruses? Option 3 is the correct option. T is cells. Option 1 basophils. Option 2 eosinophil. Option 4 B lymphocytes. Option 3 is the correct option here. 179 question. Question number 179. A radial symmetry is not found in adult of phylum This. Option 4 is the correct option. Hemichordata. Option 1 given Coelenterata. Option 2 Echinodermata. Option 3 Ctenophora. So option 4 is the correct option. From Animal Kingdom SS first year or 11th, from class 11th, this question given. Okay. Option 4 is the correct option. Hemichordata. My dear students, please like, subscribe and share the video. Question number 180. Which of the following function is carried out by cytoskeleton in a cell? Option 1 is the correct option. Motility. Option 2 transportation. Option 3 nuclear division. Option 4 protein synthesis. So option 1 is the correct option. Motility. Let's see question number 181. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, first difference receives a duct from seminal vesicle and opens into urethra as the ejaculatory duct. Statement 2, the cavity of the cervix is called cervical canal, which along with vagina forms birth canal. In the light of the above statement, shows the correct answer from the option given below. Option 1 given, statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is false. Option 2 statement 1 incorrect but statement 2 is true. Option 3 both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. So option 3 is the correct option. Option 3 is the correct option. Dear students, whatever the red pen circle is given, so those are the correct answer, dear students. Option 4 given, both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. It's also not correct answer. So correct option is option 3. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Question number 182. Select the correct group set of Australian marsupials exhibiting adaptive radiations. Option 1 given, mole of flying squirrel, Tasmania tiger cat. Option 2 lemur, anterior anteater wolf, Tasmania wolf, bobcat, marsupial moles. Option 4 is the correct option. Numbat spotted cascas flying planars. Option 4 is the correct option. Question number 183. Given below are two statements. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, electrostatic precipitator is most widely used in thermal power plant. Statement 2, electrostatic precipitator in thermal power plant removes ionizing radiation. In the light of the above statement, shows the most appropriate answer from the option given below. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. So option 1 is the correct option. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Let's see question number 184. Given below are two statements. Statement 1 are mutates at a faster rate. Statement 2 virus having RNA genome and shorter lifespans mutate and elevator faster. In the light of the above statement, shows the correct answer from the option given below. Option 1 given statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. Option 2 statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. Option 3 is the correct option. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. So option 3 is the correct answer. Option 4 given both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. This is also wrong. So option 3 is the correct option. Question number 185. Match list 1 with list 2 with respect to human eye. So dear students, you have to read the question paper carefully and you have to match the correct answer. So option A given phobia, option matching with option 3, point of greatest visual acuity or resolution. B matching with option I, iris, visible colored portions of eye that regulate diameter of pupils. Option C blind spots matching with 4, point to where optic nerve leaves the eyeball and photoreceptor cells are absent. Option D matching with 2, sclera, external layer of eye formed of dense. So dear students, option 3 is the correct answer here. Let's see question number 186. Select the correct statement. Tetrad formation is seen during leptotense. During anaphase, the centromere is split and chromatid separate. Terminations takes place during peak 18. Nucleus, Golgi complex and ER are reformed during telophase. Crossing over takes place between sister chromatid of homologous chromosomes. So the correct answer from the option given below. Option 4 is the correct option. B and D. B and D is the correct answer here. B and D are the correct answer, dear students. Option 4 is the correct option. Question number 187. Select the correct statement with reference to chordates. Presence of a mid-dorsal solid and double nerve cord. Option B given presence of closed circulatory system. Option C presence of paired pharyngeal gill slide. Option D presence of dorsal heart. Option E triploblastic pseudocoelometanimals. Option shows the correct answer from the option given below. Option 4 is the correct option. B and C only. B and C only is the correct option. 188 question. In cockroach extinction excretion is brought about by option A given pelvic gland, option B Aircourse gland, option C nephrocytes, option D flat body, option E collateral gland. Shows the correct answer from the option given below. So option 1 is the correct option. B, C and D only. B, C and D only. Dear students, whatever the circle, red circle is given, all the correct answer. B, C and D only. So let's see question number 189. Match list 1 with list 2. Option 1 is the correct option here. Option A matching with 2. Mast cells areolar. Okay, dear students. Option B intersurface of bronchioles matching with 1. Ciliated epithelium. Option C tubular blood is matching with option 4 is specialized connective tissue. Option D matching with 3. Tubular part of nephron cuboidal epithelium. Okay, dear students, option 1 is the correct option. Others are wrong option. So thank you for watching this video. Dear students, I will discuss from question number 190 in the next lecture. Who did not watch previous video or previous lecture, I will give the link in I button, so you can click there, or otherwise you can subscribe and you can watch the video by subscribing this channel. Thank you for watching this video, dear students. Please like, subscribe, share and put the bell icon, so that related to net I will give the lecture. So thank you, dear students, it will be very helpful. Many questions are repeating every year from here. Thank you for watching this video.